Hi, it's Miss Burlingame again. I'm going to be reading you another story today called There is a Bird on Your Head from the Elephant and Piggie series by Willems, who is one of my favorite authors, and this is one of my favorite series that he writes. One thing that I love about these books is that when each character is speaking, it's obvious because the speech bubble is the same color as the character. So when Elephant is speaking, his speech bubble is going to be gray, and when Piggie is speaking, his speech bubble is going to be pink. So these books are really fun to read with another person. If you have one of these books at home and you want to read it with your brother or sister or parent, that can be really fun because you can use different voices to play the parts. When my son was smaller, him and I used to read these books together, and he would read the part of Piggie and I would read the part of Elephant, so that made it a little bit more fun for both of us. There is a pig on your head. So these are the two main characters, Elephant and his best friend Piggie. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Another great thing about these books is that they are very funny and obviously written for kids and adults to enjoy. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. So Piggie looks quite amused. Elephant, not so much. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Let's take a peek at the next illustration and see if we can figure it out. Uh-oh, Elephant. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Wonder what he's gonna say. Somewhere else! Anywhere but on his head. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. So see, now the little birds are speaking, so their speech bubble is green. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. I love the ending of those Elephant and Piggie books. Well, that's the end of this story of Elephant and Piggie. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, bye-bye.